Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set face beauty for video call in your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see shortcuts and accessibility. Press on this. Now scroll down. Now you can see here face beauty for video call. Press on this. If you want to set your face beauty for video call in your WhatsApp, you just have to turn on the button. So this is how to set face beauty for video call in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.